3 mistakes design and build contractors, really any contractor of that ilk, will make during a pitch that could be costing you money. I know it's costing them, it's cost them in the millions. I'm going to list them out for you right here. Number 1 is leaving everything to the last minute. There's a saying, we all know it, if you know, about failing to plan and planning to fail. It's typical. I always can see a rush pitch. If I can see it, the client can definitely see it. That means generic information goes in, we're copying and pasting, and heaven forbid a client's name goes in that's not the client that you're pitching to, and believe me, that happens more than you know. Number 2 is putting case studies at the end of the document or the presentation. Now, I get it that there's usually some sort of document that we're replying to, and then they'll give us a sequence of information that they want to see. But your case studies are your social proof. They're your example of where you've done it before, where you've worked on a project in a similar area of a similar size to a similar specification and delivered it successfully, and you're able to show them amazing images of the jobs that you've completed. So why put them at the end? If you've ever had to sign off, or even yourself had to pay, say, over £100,000 for a particular service, you'll know that you're looking for competence. So put that competence at the front, show them that you can do it, and then you're on to a winner. Number 3, which I'm going to say probably of all the 3 is going to be the most important, that's why I put it to the end, is putting in a presentation or document information that you'd like to see and the sequence that you'd like it to go in. Now, I get it, you've been there, you've done it, you've got the experience, you'll know what the client's looking for. But we're also wanting to take the client and engage them in a journey, right? We want to take them through the document stages by stages and almost crafting in what I would call like creative storytelling techniques to walk them through, and every sort of potential stumbling block or potential obstacle, you guys are coming in with a solution, a bit like the shining knight who's coming in to save the day. So work in where you can something that you believe is going to be capturing, but do it in a way that, how do I capture the attention of my client so that they're engaged? So it's not at the end of the pitch, how did you feel? It's at every stage of the pitch they're going, these guys are our guys. So that's it. That's the 3. Just to recap, so you're aware, design and build fit out contractors. I've done 1,000 of these pitches. I've been doing it since 2008. These pitches are crucial because it's a procurement process, but at the same time, it can be a process of engaging the client and also getting them on side. So here's the 3. 1, don't rush it. Everyone knows it's rushed. Don't rush it. Give yourself the time. Give yourself the ability to provide a bespoke and unique solution. Push your USPs where you can. Number 2 is to not put case studies at the end. They're your social proof. Make sure that they're clear, visible, up front. Get your competence out the way early. They know you can do it. Number 3 is to use creative storytelling. If you don't know creative storytelling, get in touch with me and I'll walk you through some of those principles. Speak to you soon.